Hi bunnies, for today's video I'm going to be talking about how I install my lace front wigs with Got2b glue spray. Now this is something that I only recently started doing, maybe like a month or two now, and I feel like I have perfected it to, the best of my abilities right now. Hopefully as I get further on, I'll start plucking and tweezing and bleaching my knots a little bit better, but for right now I feel like the installation process I've gotten down pat. So the first thing I do, I prefer to do it without makeup, but for the purpose of this video I had already done my makeup already so that I would look cute on camera. But anyways, I'd wash my face first, get all the nighttime oils off my skin, wash my face, and then I begin to apply. And what I do is I spray my hair. If my wig is off completely, I'd spray my hairline and then put the wig on there and then blow it dry. I find that working in sections is easier, so I'll start like in the middle and then I'll do the left side and the right side, just like you see me doing in the little clip. The main difference between that clip and me actually putting it on is that I'm just touching up little areas. So if the wig is off, like you'll see in the corners that I do, I'll spray it underneath, put it down, and then press it and blow dry it. Now I keep my blow dryer on at all times so that when I spray, nothing runs down my face, especially with having makeup on. So if you already have your face on and you're now watching this video, just keep your blow dryer on so that it does not run down and create like little crusties on your face, on your skin. And that's why I prefer to do it before makeup, so that I can get a paper towel with water and a little bit of my black soap just to get rid of the residue, because alcohol doesn't work for me, and I don't like the thought of putting alcohol on my skin. And then another reason why I like using the spray as opposed to the ones in the tube or even the Ghost Bond glue, which I did a review on previously, is that it's less messy, except for the whole dripping thing, of course. It's not as messy, my fingers don't get sticky, I don't have to wait this long periods of time for the glue to get sticky and then do another layer, then wait, and then another layer, and then wait. And it's literally 1 or 2 layers of the spray, blow drying. 10 minutes it takes me to do this, and I'm good to go. Now after everything is set with the spray, I take my scarf and I tie it down. Tie from the front to the back. Do not tie from the back to the front, because then it'll create ripples in your forehead. Take it from me. Do not bring your scarf from the back to the front. Take it from the front to the back like you would do like a bandana or a head tie, front to back, and then if you want, bring it back to the front like I did to make sure that it's secure. But you want to make sure that the front here lays flat. Okay? Leave it on for as long as you want, for as little as you want, at least 5 minutes, I want to say, just so that it really lays down. Okay, next step is baby hairs, and this is completely optional. I do it because this lace in particular is very thick, so I like to take the little baby hairs and just camouflage as much of the lace as possible. And I use the Lost Body foam wrap mousse with my little edge brush and just do little swoopy things in the front, and the foam wrap will loosen up any of loosen up the baby hairs that got stuck in place with the freeze spray. So that will loosen up the little hairs, and so you can create little swoops, as many swoops or as little swoops as you want. Baby hairs are not my forte. I'm still practicing, so this, what you see right here, it's not my best work. I actually have done better than what you're seeing, but it all takes practice, it all takes time. And that's pretty much it. I did this little look here, which is one of my favorite looks. Even when I do like clip-ons and stuff like that, I prefer this type of style, the half up, half down. And in prior videos, I call it the Aaliyah J look. But I really like this style. And all I did was take, I want to say, a 1-inch barrel curling wand, and just did like 4 sections in the back and then like 3 sections in the top, and then just spread them out, and it just makes your hair look amazing. I feel like it's super cute. And then this is the wig that I made myself, so it's a frontal with 3 bundles, and this is the Don Millie hair that I had from last year this time. So this is a year old hair, 18, 20, and 22 inches. And then the frontal is by Soprano or Beauty Elements. You can find that in your local beauty supply store. But that is it. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, go ahead, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.